Today I have for you this great package of adhesive bandages from Assorted. And I love a family pack of bandages because you have something for nearly every sort of wound or anything that you would need a bandage for. And this one is so great because not only does everything come nicely sorted here, it also includes basically like a table of contents to where each bandage is. So you've got waterproof, silicone gel, flexible fabric, and then heavy duty bandages. Many different sizes. Let's pull some of these out here to show you. I'd like to keep this organized. So these are like the wound knuckle type bandages. You've got the larger size bandages here. I mean, really so many options. Really large ones. And then this back here, you've got all the different sizes of the flexible fabric bandages. So starting off with the smaller ones to kind of the medium size. So that is all in there. The waterproof ones are really nice. So if you are maybe in an activity that requires a lot of being in the water, or maybe it's washing dishes or something like that, these waterproof bandages really are a nice option. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you this here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put that on. Get a nice good seal. And then you take this part off. So you get this very nice tight seal of the bandage. And then also you've got the silicone gel. I think that's something a little bit more original you don't see in all your Band-Aids. These can be a little bit more gentle on the skin. So if you're looking for, if you have a spot maybe where there's more hair, that would be a good spot to apply that. But really, this package, this family package of adhesive bandages really does cover the gamut of, what you might need. So here we go with the silicone. So again, waterproof silicone. I just want to go ahead and show you. Nothing, zero pain at all. I really hate wasting a Band-Aid, but I wanted to show you. And then here again is the waterproof one. Try to get under there with my nails. That's got a really nice stick. So again, this is the family pack of bandages, multi-purpose by Assorted.